Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco X3 Pro. Okay, there are two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you will have a screenshot. After you can see here the preview and you can send this screenshot also directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Messenger and Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, then you're also able to edit the screenshot here with these features. You can crop it also directly here. Maybe if you just want to have a picture from a website or something like this, it is possible. And then after, just go here on save and the edited part will be part of your gallery. And as I said, there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that, we will need just 3 fingers and swipe them across the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. And if you want to make a long screenshot, may of a PDF document or something like this, or let us go here maybe to the settings. Here we have a long list. You can also make a scroll shot, so a long screenshot. Let's take a screenshot, power button, volume down button, maybe. And then just go here on scroll. And then the system will make a long screenshot. If you want to interrupt it before the end, just go on done. If not, it will go until the end. But by the way, I've tried it with some websites. It doesn't work often at some websites. Xiaomi have to work on it. But in some occasions it works well, like PDF documents and so on, or here are the settings. And yeah, okay, if you're ready with it, just go here on save and it is part of your gallery here now as well. And I said it already here, the screenshots are part of the gallery. But you cannot see them, by the way, here directly at the photos. You have to go to the category albums and then the screenshots here have their own folder just for screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe till next time. Ciao.